Yep, it is that time again at Dollar Tree. It is fall decor time, and I will say that this year they have really upped their game because they have some really beautiful decor. So let me go ahead and show you some of the stuff that they have. It is still 90 something degrees outside, but the fall decor items are in the stores. And if you shop at Dollar Tree, or if you have in the past, then you know when you see it, you better get it. You also know that you usually have to go to several different Dollar Tree stores to find everything that you see, on social media or on advertisements. So that's what I did, and I want to show you what I got. They have so many cute things. Now, yes, their prices are now $1.25, but a lot of the stores have gone to also carrying $3 items, $5 items, and I don't know if there are items over $5, but that means they have some really, really good stuff. And Dollar Tree has really stepped it up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start showing you some of the things that I got from Dollar Tree, from a couple of Dollar Tree stores around me. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, the first item isn't necessarily fall, but I wanted to use this to kind of DIY a little tray. So I bought a couple of these adhesive tile decals, and you can see here it's gold and white. So I'm just going to use these. Dollar Tree sells the little silver trays. You can paint those, which I have done. I've painted one, and I just needed something to go in the center of it. So that's what I'm going to use this for. Also in the stores were these awesome little kind of command center items that you can use in a command center, and they were $3 and $5, but these were so cute, and they are perfect for trying to keep up with all the school activities. The non-fall stuff out of the way, they have, of course, their pumpkins, and they have these really cute buffalo check pumpkins, and they have them in different colors. I am traditionally a traditional fall color decorator when it comes to my fall decor, but I do like to throw in you can see back here I've got some navy, and back here I've got some navy. So I do like to throw that in to my decor. So if you have, your home decor that you don't want to change totally, add your traditional colors if you like the traditional colors, and just throw in some of your home decor colors in as well. Tie it all in. So anyway, I got a couple of these, and they were $1 each, $1.25 each. So I got those, and then I also found this sign. Now, they always have cute signs, but this was a $3 item. So this has this wood bead handle or whatever to hang from. So probably what I'm gonna do is I am going to take this staple off, and I'm going to tie a small little fall thing on the end and maybe a tassel on the other end. But I'm not gonna use this piece, so I'm gonna detach this, but I think I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna redo my front door wreath, so I'm gonna use this, I think, in the center of that. So I'm gonna get 2 uses out of this one piece that was $3. So anyway, they have a bunch of these. They have the $1.25 ones, but they kind of stepped it up with the little wood bead hanger. So I got that for $3. Now I'm also thinking, what am I gonna do on my front porch? Because I like to change it up every year. And they had these really cute stacked pumpkins, and we get terrible wind on the front porch. I guess we're on a corner, so the wind kind of whips around and it blows stuff over all the time, and it drives me insane. So these have a little bit of heaviness to them, and they were $5 each. So I am going to use these on my front porch, which be looking, because I will be putting out a front porch decor video. So I got that for that. And then also for my front porch, I got these cute little scarecrows, and they had the boy and the girl scarecrow, and I think they were all in navy. They may have had it in burgundy also, but of course I want to tie in the navy. So I got the navy ones, and these are going to look so cute on the front porch, and they were $5 each. And they're kind of like a little bean bag, so they are weighed down a little bit, so hopefully they will stand up on the front porch. Then of course they have these pumpkins, and these are little pillowy pumpkins, and they were $3 each, and they had them in multiple colors. So I got the gold. Again, I like the traditional fall colors. They had them, I don't remember the other colors they had them in, honestly, but I just liked the gold, so that's why I got the gold in that. Again, it was $3. Then they had this cute tray, which I love this little tray. You can use this for so many things. You can set it on your bed if you'd like to decorate your bedroom. You can set it on your bed as kind of like a little tea tray or something, just for decor purposes. And then you can put it on your coffee table with a pretty candle and some kind of other fall decor. But I thought this was really pretty, and I love the little wood bead handles. And this wood tray was $5. Really cute. Hand-picked farm fresh pumpkins. Then they had 4 different styles or prints on these, but these are little loaf pans, and I mean, they're really, I don't know if there's a size on here. I don't know, it doesn't say a size, but like this one says grateful. They had 4, but I really didn't want to dig through the boxes too much, so I only got 3. This one says fresh picked apples, and then this last one just says gather. And like I said, they had a 4th one. I don't know what it was, because I was already kind of digging through the box and I didn't want to dig anymore. But these are great, not just for little mini pumpkin loaves or apple bread or whatever, but you can also use these if you have a party and you need to set out crackers or sliced cheeses or something. You can use these to do that, and it kind of just dresses up your little party table. And then I have been obsessed with cutting boards, and they had this really cute fall cutting board. It's so cute, for only $3. Now the back of it, you can see that it's the normal wood that they use, but from the front it looks like a $15 cutting board that you would get from Home Goods, and it says fall on it. And anyway, it's got the twine wrapped around it, and this is good just to set out. I'm probably going to use this in my kitchen and set it out with my other cutting boards and use that to kind of help dress up my kitchen a little more. And then finally, this I thought was so cute. It is a what is it called? It just says Decor, but like a tripod, not a tripod, you know, an easel. It's an easel, and one side has the pumpkin sign, Farm Fresh Pumpkins, and the other side is a blackboard. So you can really use this all year round if you want to use it in your kitchen to say what's for dinner, or if you have a command station and you have an event, you can write that event on the chalkboard to remind everybody of the event, or you can just put it out and use it as the decor piece for fall that it is. I really think that fall is my absolute favorite season of all. I love everything about fall. I love the cooler weather. I love the smells of fall. I love the colors of fall. So when I see fall stuff coming out at Dollar Tree, it just makes me so excited. And so I could not wait to share with you some of the things that I got from Dollar Tree so far this year. I'm sure I'll see something else that I like and I have to have. But anyway, let me know in the comments below if you get a lot of your fall decor from Dollar Tree, and also, is there something in here that you see that you want to go try to find? Remember, go to many Dollar Trees. You're not going to find everything all at one. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would help me reach my goal of 700 subscribers. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, because it lets YouTube know every time someone watches my video. Happy decorating, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.